Tesla's brand new $3.3 billion China factory. Tesla is continuously growing. Elon Musk once said that he is just getting started when he was asked about his achievements and success of his companies. And the workaholic entrepreneur is the same by establishing one-by-one gigafactories across the world. And this time, Tesla is rumored to be working on a new factory in China. Yes, you heard it right. If this is not just rumored, then it would be the second gigafactory in China. Are there any specific reasons to choose China? Where would a gigafactory be located? So many questions, isn't it? Curious to find everything out? Then press the like button and stay tuned in this video. Welcome to the Musk Technology. Hit the like button and subscribe button. And also press the bell icon to never miss an update on Musk and technology. That being said, let's begin. Now, Tesla currently produces 4 electric vehicles at its various factory locations around the world. These gigafactories also produce battery and solar technologies for the brand. With a semi-truck, cybertruck, and second-generation roadster already confirmed, plus goals to produce a $25,000 model, there's no doubt in saying that Tesla is continuously growing. And why wouldn't it be? Tesla currently operates out of 4 full operational factories, 3 are in the United States and 1 is in China. And very soon its counting in China is going to increase. Although the company denied the rumor of the location, it appears to confirm a second factory is indeed in the works. Lately, there have been several rumors of Tesla looking for a location for a new gigafactory. After recent reports came out that Tesla decided to go to Russia, CEO Elon Musk denied the rumor, but he did hint that the automaker is indeed deciding on a new factory. Tesla has not yet decided on a 4th gigafactory location, said Musk. A month later, similar rumors are now popping out of China, where the media recently reported that Tesla decided to choose China for its next factory and it will be the second in the country. Yes, if we go by rumor, that it would be the second Tesla's gigafactory in China. The first one is Giga Shanghai. Giga Shanghai is the newest gigafactory that is currently operational and the second factory to assemble actual Tesla vehicles. This 9.3 million square feet gigafactory currently hosts the final assembly of Tesla's Model 3 and production of the Model Y. Originally beginning construction in 2018, Giga Shanghai was already beginning initial production on the cheapest Tesla, the Model 3 sedan, in the fall of 2019. Since then, the size of this gigafactory has more than doubled to support the production of Tesla's newest vehicle, the Model Y. So we can say China is very well standing upon the billionaire's expectation. But why just say what we can see? Tesla's revenue in China more than doubled last year as the American electric car manufacturer further pushed into the Asian market. In 2019, Tesla generated approximately $3 billion in China. By 2020, that revenue had ballooned to $6.6 billion, according to Tesla's annual 10K report with the Securities and Exchange Commission. Tesla's overall revenue has also increased last year, with the total revenue for the company increased from $24.6 billion in 2019 to $31.5 billion in 2020, but the Chinese market saw the largest growth. Tesla recently said that it has shifted its export hub from the Fremont factory to Gigafactory Shanghai, and Tesla's July results in China are confirming that. During Tesla's Q2 2021 results last month, the automaker said that it is making Gigafactory Shanghai its new primary vehicle export hub. Due to strong U.S. demand and global average cost optimization, we have completed the transition of Gigafactory Shanghai as the primary vehicle export hub. While Gigafactory Shanghai was originally only supposed to produce vehicles for local demand, Tesla surprised itself with how fast it was able to ramp up production at the plant. No doubt that China has an edge over all the world to be chosen by Elon Musk to establish a new gigafactory. But do you want to know where in China? What's the possible location for a gigafactory in China? While the reports were considered rumors, several cities were suggested as potential sites for the hypothetical plant, one of which was Qingdao. So according to rumors, Tesla decided to choose Qingdao as the location for its next factory. But Grace Tao, Tesla's head of government affairs and PR in China, issued a statement denying that Tesla selected Qingdao, but she does seem to confirm that a second factory is in the works. Here's a full official statement. Tesla is very honored to contribute to the development of China's new energy industry and will continue to firmly increase its investment in China. Recently, I have received many inquiries from the media about the second factory, but I cannot answer them one by one. To everyone, the information on site of Tesla's second factory on the internet is not true. Thanks to all my friends who care about and support Tesla's development. After the success of Gigafactory Shanghai, as we mentioned earlier, it would make sense for Tesla to increase its manufacturing presence in the country. And if we talked about the location, Qingdao actually made some sense as a potential second site for Tesla's electric vehicle production operations in the country. The city stands as one of China's major economic engines, being ranked as one of the country's top cities for manufacturing. The city is also located on the coast of the Yellow Sea, which makes it strategic for exports. And if you go through China's administration and Elon Musk's past relations, they've also been pretty much smooth, like Tesla has been welcome in China. This can be one of the major reasons behind the decision of establishing one more gigafactory in China. China is starting to become a large part of Tesla's operations, with Gigafactory Shanghai currently serving as the company's primary vehicle export hub. During the 2021 annual shareholder meeting, CEO Elon Musk even remarked that Giga Shanghai now exceeds the Fremont factory. This is quite impressive considering the Tesla Shanghai plant has only been mass-producing vehicles for less than 2 years. Don't you think? Isn't it obvious? Right. Everyone knows that Gigafactory Shanghai was launched by Tesla with far less drama and delays compared to the company's other foreign-based facilities. Gigafactory Berlin, for example, has been mired in delays due to the facility's final approval as well as protests from local environmental groups. Remember, Elon Musk spoke about these delays on Twitter with his CEO, noting that what they are doing is just not right. Meanwhile, the current U.S. administration isn't acting as though it's very supportive of Tesla as a whole, and with the growth of the EV segment in China, one factory may not be enough. Rather than branch out to other parts of the world where Tesla might experience issues and delays, similar to the situation in Europe, why not just build another factory in China and continue exporting EVs where necessary? Even Tesla has a number of projects that would likely warrant another plant in China. These include the upcoming $25,000 Tesla, which is expected to be designed in an R&D center that was recently completed at the Gigafactory Shanghai complex. The $25,000 Tesla would be the company's most ambitious car yet, as it is a vehicle that would most likely be produced in volumes that far exceed the Model 3 and Model Y. And with this in mind, a second dedicated production facility in China might actually be a good idea. Grace Tao has made it clear that the potential for a Tesla factory in Qingdao, China is a rumor, as we saw earlier. But Tao could have easily dispelled both rumors in the same statement. She could have said the location is a rumor since Tesla isn't looking for a site for a second factory in China. Moreover, even though she says she can't answer the inquiries one by one, she answers one of the inquiries in the statement. Anyways, what do you think? Is Tesla planning a second factory in China? And how will it boost up Tesla production and growth? Comment down your insights below, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon to never miss any updates on such an interesting content. See you soon on our next video. Until then, peace out.